This video, I will talk about the best affiliate marketing strategy that I am using right now that required zero audience. And inside this video, I will show you my actual proof. So make sure to watch the full video till the end. And here is the payment proof that I earned by doing the same thing that I want to show you in this video. So make sure to watch the full video till the end and don't skip anything. This is my Gmail account. You can see I earned a $1,350 from just one sale. So this is not a screenshot. This is my actual Gmail account. You can see I refresh my page. Here you can see this is my Gmail account and you can see here I earned $1,350 from just one sale by promoting the affiliate offer, and I will refresh my page. So you can see this is not a screenshot and this is a live proof that I am showing you. So if you want to do affiliate marketing the right way, then you must need to follow these 4 simple steps which I show you in detail. So the first thing is you need a high converting offer, and then you need a good traffic source to promote that offer, and then you need to build a simple conversion system to convert your traffic into leads, and then you need a good email follow-up sequence to increase your conversion rate. And inside this video, I will talk about all of these things in detail. So make sure to watch the full video till the end. So as always, in the first step, you need to choose a good high converting offer. So there are basically 3 main evergreen niches that you can use to find good affiliate product to promote, which is health, wealth, and relationship. So these 3 niches are evergreen niches because inside these niches, you will find a great affiliate offer to promote, and people are ready to spend money to solve their problem inside these 3 niches. So these 3 niches are main niches, but there are lots of sub niches inside the main niche. So if I talk about health niche, then there are lots of different sub niches like keto diet, weight loss, bodybuilding. And if I talk about wealth niche, then there are lots of different sub niches like affiliate marketing, make money online, crypto. And same in a relationship niche, there are lots of different sub niches like a dating, surviving breakup, marriage advice, parenting, like that. So in the first step, you need to find a good high converting offer to promote inside these sub niches. And if you don't want to do all of the hard work by yourself, then you can simply start promoting the product that I'm promoting right now. So right now I'm in a wealth niche, and right now I'm promoting a product that can help people to start their affiliate marketing business. And the course which I'm promoting right now is converting very good for me as well as a lots of other affiliate marketers. So I highly recommend you that if you don't have any good high converting offer to promote, then start promote the product that I'm promoting right now. Right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer. So if you don't know what Legendary Marketer is, then Legendary Marketer gives people online marketing education and show them how they can make money online as an affiliate marketer or freelance digital marketer. So right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer because of the 2 main reasons. First is Legendary Marketer gives people great online marketing education, as well as Legendary Marketer have a great affiliate program that will allow you to earn high ticket commissions without selling any high ticket product by yourself. Because Legendary Marketer have a great value ladder as well as a great sales team that will sell the high ticket courses to your audience. And if someone decides to purchase, then as an affiliate marketer, you can earn up to $1,000 per sale. So this is the 2 main reason. Right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer. And they also have a 15-day business builder challenge. So inside that challenge, they will show you how you can start an affiliate marketing business in just 15 days with step-by-step instruction. And the good thing about this challenge is once you start this challenge, then you will get your one-on-one business plan advisor that will help you to build your customized business plan. So if you are a beginner affiliate marketer and right now if you don't have any good high converting offer to promote, then I highly recommend you to start with Legendary Marketer 15-day business builder challenge. So if you want to learn more about this challenge, then check the link in the description below. So once you choose a good high converting offer to promote, then in the second step you need to choose a free traffic source to promote that offer. So there are basically 2 types of free traffic source that you can use. First is a social media and second one is search engine. So if I talk about social media, then TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, these all are the examples of social media networks. And if I talk about search engine, then YouTube, Google, Pinterest, this is the search engine. So right now if you are a beginner and if you are not comfortable with camera and you don't know how to create a content, then I recommend you to start with social media platforms. And once you have an experience to creating a content, then slowly you can transition to search engine. But first, start with social media platforms. So right now, you can create a Reels on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. So right now, Reels are in high demand. And if you can just create one Reel, then you can get thousands and even millions of views. And reels are very easy to create because reels are only 30 to 60-second videos. So if I talk about myself, then right now I am also using a social media as well as a search engine. So right now I'm creating a reels on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and I'm also creating a long form content on my YouTube channel that you are watching right now. So now I will show you my actual social media platform and show you that which strategy I'm using to create all of my reels. So here you can see this is my TikTok account, Future Passive Income. And you can see I am creating a lots of reels inside my TikTok account to promote Legendary Marketer. And right now I'm using a one simple strategy to increase my views and increase my leads. So right now I just create one reel inside my TikTok account, then I download that reel and post the same reel inside my Instagram account. You can see I'm posting the same reels from my TikTok to my Instagram reels. And here is my personal Facebook profile. So you can see I'm also posting a lots of reels inside my Facebook profile. And this is my YouTube channel that you are watching right now. So I'm also posting a lots of YouTube shorts inside my YouTube channel as well. And you can see I'm getting a thousands of views inside my YouTube shorts as well. So by following this simple strategy, I'm increasing my views and increasing my leads. So if you are a beginner, then you can start creating a reels inside social media. And once you have a confidence, then you can start creating a YouTube videos inside your YouTube channel. So now once you start creating a content inside your social media, then in a step 3, you need to create a simple conversion system, or you can also call it simple two-page website to increase your conversion rate. So once you start creating a content on social media, then in a step 3, you can create a simple conversion system, or you can also call it simple two-page website to convert your traffic into leads. And here you can see this is my simple conversion system that I'm using right now to promote Legendary Marketer. So now I will explain in detail. So at the end of all of my reels, I give people call to action that if you want to get my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in my bio. So when someone click the link in my bio, then they will come to this page. So this is the first page of my funnel, which is also called the landing page. And inside this page, I capture people's name and email address. And once they click here in this button, then they redirect to the second page of my funnel, which is also called the bridge page. And inside this page, I have a small video, and inside this video, I talk about the affiliate offer that I'm promoting. And once someone click here inside this button, then they directly go to the sales page of the offer which I'm promoting. And once they purchase, then I will get a commission. And I already capture people's name and email address inside my landing page. So I will follow up with them with email automation and talk about the affiliate product over and over again. So eventually in future they will purchase and I will get a commission. So now I will show you my actual funnel so you can easily understand that how funnel works. So here is my TikTok account, and at the end of all of my reels I give people call to action that if you want to get my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in my bio. So here is my bio link. So when someone click here in this link, then they directly come to this page. So this is the first page of my funnel, which is also called the landing page. And inside this page, I give people my free affiliate marketing case study. So if someone wants to get my free affiliate marketing case study, then they click here. And here I write, enter your best email below to receive free case study. So when someone give me their name and email address and click here, then they directly go to the second page of my funnel, which is also called the bridge page. And here I have a small video. So inside this video at the beginning, I told my audience that how you can get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. And later in this video, I talk about the affiliate offer which I am promoting. In my case, I am promoting Legendary Marketer. So I told my audience that how Legendary Marketer can help you to make money online as an affiliate marketer. And then I told my audience that if you want to know more about Legendary Marketer 15-day business builder challenge, then click here in this button. So when someone click here, then they directly go to the sales page of the product which I am promoting. And here I have a small presentation from the creator of Legendary Marketer, Dev Shah. And inside this presentation, they will explain everything to my audience once they start the 15-day business builder challenge by Legendary Marketer. And if my audience watch this presentation and if they want to start 15-day challenge, then they click here and they go to the checkout page. And once they purchase, then I will get a commission. So now you think why I am promoting this challenge? Because this is the same challenge that I started with. When I was a beginner affiliate marketer, I don't know how to do affiliate marketing the right way. Then someone recommend me this 15-day challenge, and once I start this challenge, then I learn everything that they teach me, and I started implementing inside my business. And right now I'm making a very good money by doing affiliate marketing. So right now, if someone is a beginner affiliate marketer and they don't know how to do affiliate marketing the right way, so that's why I'm also recommending this challenge to my audience. So once you start this challenge, then inside the 15 days, you will learn all of these things, as well as you will get a lots of bonus once you start this challenge. So you can see you will get a 7 bonuses that worth $3,576 in value, and you will get everything for $7. So you don't have anything to lose. But if you start this challenge, then it can change your life. So if you want to learn more about this challenge, then check the link in the description below. So once you create your simple 2-page funnel, then in a step 4, you need to create email automation sequence to follow up with your leads. So your email list is the most important asset of your online business because you own your list. That means if you are creating a reels on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, but what if they ban your account? Then you will lose everything overnight. But if you have your email list, then no one will take the email list from you. That's why your email list is everything if you want to do affiliate marketing for the long term. An email list is like printing money. So money is in the list. And if you have a more emails of people is equals to you can earn more income. And the most important reason to build your email list is to build a strong relationship with your audience. Because if your audience will not trust you, then they will definitely not purchase anything that you recommend. So you need to build a know, like and trust factor with your email subscribers by providing them a free training. And on average, one email subscriber is equals to at least $1 to $3 every single month. So if you have a 10,000 people inside your email list, then you can earn at least $10,000 per month. And the main purpose of your email automation sequence is to solve people objection, provide them additional training, and show them other people's social proof. So if you are promoting any product, your email subscribers have a confusion that that product is actually help me to solve my specific problem or not. So as an affiliate marketer, your job is to remove all of the potential objection of your audience. And once you do that, then they will definitely purchase a product that you are promoting. So right now I will show you my actual email automation sequence that I'm using to promote Legendary Marketer. So this is the free software that I'm using to create all of my funnel as well as my email automation sequence. And this software is 100% free until you have a 2000 people inside your email list. So right now, if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to get access of this free software because even in a free plan, you will get access of all the tools which is required. So if you want to know more about this software, then check the link in the description below and create a free account today. So now I will show you my actual email automation sequence. So once I go to email and click on campaign, then here I have a lots of pre-written emails. So when someone give me their name and email address inside this page, then they will get a 31 pre-written emails. And the main purpose of my email automation sequence is to solve people's objection about Legendary Marketer. So as I told you before, right now I am promoting Legendary Marketer, but my audience have a confusion that Legendary Marketer is legit or not. And Legendary Marketer will actually help me to make money online as a affiliate marketing or not. So my job as a affiliate marketer to remove all of the potential objection of my audience. And once I do that, then they will definitely purchase Legendary Marketer through my link and I will get a commission. So now I will show you some of my mail. So you can see here inside my first email I write here is the case study that you requested. So when someone click here, then inside the email I write click here to get access of your free affiliate marketing case study. So when someone click here, then they directly come to this page. So inside this page, they can get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. Inside this free case study, I show my audience everything. I show my audience which product I'm promoting. I show them how I'm driving targeted traffic to promote that product, as well as I show them my funnel and my entire email automation sequence that I'm using to increase my conversion rate. Then here in my second email, I write, let us introduce ourselves, pics inside. So when someone open this email, then inside this email, I told my story to my audience because I know that if my audience know my story, then they can easily trust me. And once they trust me, then they will purchase a product that I'm promoting. And at the end of my email, I have one link which says sign up with Legendary Marketer. So when someone click here, then they directly go to the sales page of Legendary Marketer. And once they start a 15-day business builder challenge, then I will get a commission. So by using the storytelling, I told my audience that if we can do it, then you can also do it. So I have a lots of email. So you can see here inside this email, I write proof is Legendary Marketer legit. So when someone open this email, then inside this email, I talk about the creator of Legendary Marketer, Dev Shah. So Dev Shah feature in Forbes and Entrepreneur magazine. And these two magazines are very popular magazine. So if Dev Shah got a chance to feature inside this magazine, then definitely Legendary Marketer is a legit. And at the end of my email, I have one link. So when someone click here in this link, then again they go to the sales page of Legendary Marketer. And once they purchase, then I will get a commission. So by using this email, I told my audience that the creator of Legendary Marketer, Dev Shah, he featured in Forbes and Entrepreneur magazine. So definitely Legendary Marketer is a legit. So now I will show you one more email. So you can see here I write proof affiliate marketing works. So when someone open this email, then inside this email, I write base strategy for beginners. And when someone click here in this button, then they directly come to this page. So inside this page, I have a lots of reviews of other people about legendary marketer. So you can see here, this guy says, I made my first ever commission. So people are earning their first commission by taking the training from legendary marketer. You can see here, this girl says, the only direction is up, celebrating my first commission with LM. So the beginner people who don't have any experience in affiliate marketing, they took their training from legendary marketer and right now they are earning their first commission. You can see here, this guy earns $1,050 by promoting legendary marketer. So as I told you before, legendary marketer also have a great affiliate program that will allow you to earn high ticket commissions without selling any high ticket product by yourself, because legendary marketer have a great value ladder as well as a great sales team that will sell the high ticket courses to your audience. And if someone decide to purchase, then you will get up to $1,000 per sale. So by using this social proof, I told my audience that the beginner people who just like you, if they can do it, then you can also do it. And if you want to start with high ticket affiliate marketing, then click here. And once they click here, then again they go to the sales page of legendary marketer, and here once they watch the free presentation and start the 15-day business builder challenge, then I will get a commission. So I think you already got my point. The main purpose of your email automation sequence is to remove all of the potential objection of your audience. And once you do this, then they will definitely purchase any product that you recommend. So this is the exact affiliate marketing strategy that I'm using right now to earn this type of commission. And right now, if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to get instant access of my free affiliate marketing case study, because inside this free case study, I will show you everything that I'm doing inside my affiliate marketing business. So if you want to get instant access of my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in the description below. And now if you have any question related to this video, then comment below this video and I will definitely give you reply back. See you in the next video.